Did you know your thoughts can literally rewire your brain? The way you think shapes your reality, confidence, and success. In this video, we'll uncover the power of your mind and how you can train it to work in your favor. Stay till the end. You won't believe what your brain is truly capable of. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing insights. Let's dive in. Your brain doesn't just change with actions, it changes with thoughts too. If you keep telling yourself, "I'm not good enough," your brain strengthens that belief. But if you focus on positive thoughts, your brain builds confidence and resilience. Studies show that monks who meditate have more gray matter in the brain areas linked to calmness and self-control. This means that simply thinking positive or peaceful thoughts can actually reshape your brain. So the more you train your mind to focus on the good, the stronger and more confident you become. Your thoughts create your reality.